In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Google Tag Manager code in HubSpot so you can track analytics and manage tags across your entire website. Start by logging into your HubSpot account and clicking the settings icon in the top right corner. This will open your main settings panel. Next, go to Website, then click on Pages from the left sidebar. This is where you manage settings for your website, landing pages, and blog content. After that, switch to the Integrations tab. This is where you can connect external tools like Google Tag Manager. Now, look for the option to enable Google Tag Manager integration and turn it on. Once enabled, you'll see a field where you need to enter your GTM container ID from Google Tag Manager. It usually looks like GTM followed by a series of letters and numbers. Copy your container ID from Google Tag Manager and paste it into the field in HubSpot. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. After saving, HubSpot will automatically add your Google Tag Manager code to all your pages, including your website, blog posts, and landing pages. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Tag Manager to HubSpot, making it easier to manage tracking, pixels, and marketing tools from one place.